What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. You ever scrolling down Amazon and you see something that catches your eye? Well, this right here, right here in front of you is something that caught my eye. Now, the brand, I don't even know how to pronounce the brand. It's like Scoovto. I think it's Scoovto. Let me know down in the comment section below if you know how to pronounce it. But this thing caught my eye because of its unique feature. So without further ado, let's take a look at this. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen, and it has a very positive message on the packaging of this case. So something wonderful is packaged inside this package. So without further ado, designed for your mobile life. Boom. On the back, you're going to have a premium made with high quality materials, light, no extra bulkiness added, slim case, protective, and anti-shock. It doesn't shock you. So if you misbehave, it doesn't shock you. And a button sensitivity. So without further ado, let's take a look at this case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Inside, we're going to get a black case with a piece of foam. This is what I was talking about. This piece of foam. Don't you see the magic in this? Do you believe in magic? No, this is not it. The case is what it is, and this is tempered glass screen protector. I think it is tempered glass. Feels like tempered glass. So the case right here, very nice thin case. You do have hinge protection. It is lined with like this soft microfiber material, which is a added bonus, and a built-in screen protector here. I don't think you can pop this bad boy out. You might be able to pop it out, but and you have the installation accessories for the built-in screen protector. So let's go ahead and grab this bad boy. I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed, so I don't know how well this is going to work. Yeah, so it is going to work even with the screen protector currently installed. This is double screen protector, so it's going to work just fine. This is glass. For sure it's glass. But let's go ahead and put this back portion on. And very, very, very minimal thin profile. This is popping out a little bit just because of the screen protector that I currently have on there. I don't want to remove it, but very nice thin profile. The buttons are exposed. The cutouts, when properly installed, are nice and precise. No issues with that. You do have a cover for the hinge, and it does not add a lot of bulk at all. Feels good in hand, actually. I like these style of hinge covers. Feels very nice, good in hands. And the cutouts on top also nice and precise. No issues with that. Obviously, you have a built-in screen protector, and you got a little bit of lip protection there. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on the flat surface. Flip it around the back, and you have very little lip protection there. I do have Spiegel's glass TR screen protectors for the lenses there. So that is an added bonus, but this lip right here, it's not too big. But either way, you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. It's going to work just fine, and it mitigates that wobble, shaky, because it kind of just sits flat. No issues with that whatsoever. But let's go ahead and open this case. And the inside is pretty much just flush. It's going to be flush, but this is how it's going to look when open on the other side. Full protective hinge slides over. As you can see, bam, easy money. So the one thing that's unique about this case is that I kind of liked and kind of grabbed my attention is the ability to have a kickstand, and you don't even know where the kickstand is. Well, the kickstand is right here. Look at that. Bam! And it is magnetic. This is the kickstand. One thing that I wish it would have had is built-in MagSafe. That's just a missed opportunity to having a built-in MagSafe right there. But so this kickstand is going to work like this. Just gonna open it. Boom. Look at that. Kickstand. Whoa. Does it even work? So you can have it this way. There you go. You just gotta put some pressure on there because it naturally wants to come back. And best way is put it sideways and voila, look at that. Do you believe in magic? Boom. It's gonna work this way like that, which is fantastic. If you put it on there, boom, look at that. It's gonna work like that. So it's gonna work like that. So that is this crazy case here. I think it's pretty neat. Obviously, look, that's no bulk. I wish it would have MagSafe because that would have set this off completely. With MagSafe, you have basically everything you need. You got a cover for the hinge, which is not even too thick. It doesn't add too much wideness to the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Built-in screen protector. You got protection in the back, protection everywhere, and you have a kickstand when needed that works in both orientations. It works when you want to just kick back like so. I don't know why why does it come back? So lean back. There you go. You guys just gotta work for it. So it's gonna work that way, and obviously it's gonna work this way. No issues there. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick this up for your own Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And once you get it, let me know. Whoa, look at that. Boom. Once you get it, let me know down in the comment section below if you like it or if you don't like it. And this is something that just I saw that, you know, I've never seen before. Kind of liked it, so I'm gonna test it out, see how well it lasts out in real world situations, and we'll go from there. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and share this video, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.